Manipuri feature film Yahouthengba Khoimu won Best Director, Best Story, Best Screenplay and Best Editor Award at the International Film Festival of Telangana 2025. The festival was organized at Ravindra Bharati Auditorium, Hyderabad by Indian Filmmaker Association, Telangana yesterday. Yahouthengba Khoimu, Blossom of Love, was among the 29 films selected from around 500 short film, feature film and documentary film sent by people around the world. The film, which was written by Dr. R.K. Nayansana Devi and directed by Rakesh Naurem, won the prestigious awards in feature film category. The awards were handed over to story writer Dr. R.K. Nayansana and director Rakesh Naurem by Indian Filmmaker Association National President and Festival Director Dilip Kumar HR during the ceremony. Khwarakpam Bishwamitra and Mohindro Kams also won the Best Screenplay and Best Editor awards respectively.